Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download the LinkedIn app on any mobile device. If you're using an Android, go over to the Google Play Store, but as I'm using an iPhone, I'm going to hit the App Store, the blue button in the middle of my home screen, and then go down to the bottom right, the search page, and up at the top, start typing in LinkedIn. Press search at the bottom right, and then from there, I always skip past the first advertisement and go to the first organic app. The first organic listing is the LinkedIn app with IN in a blue sort of square. From there, on the right-hand side, if you've never downloaded the app before, it's going to have a button that says Get, or in this case, as I have downloaded the LinkedIn app on this account before, it's got a blue cloud icon with a downwards pointing arrow. Either way, press that, follow the steps, and then the app will start downloading on this device. You can see the progress by the blue ring going around the circle. I will come back once this has downloaded. So guys, LinkedIn has downloaded on this device. From within the App Store, press the open button and that will launch the LinkedIn app. LinkedIn wants you to use linkedin.com to sign in. I'm going to cancel out of there, and basically it's going to show you how to sign in. You can either type in your email, phone number, password and press the sign in button, or if you don't have an account already, or if you do not have an account already, you can press just under the sign in black text, there's the join LinkedIn button. You can go in there and actually follow all the steps, give over your email, press the agree and join button, follow all of the steps to create your LinkedIn account, or you can use Google or other ways to actually create your LinkedIn account as well. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Thank you.